Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In a short tutorial video, I'm going to teach you how you can join the Nikke 30 custom server on Discord to gain access to the latest game updates and to communicate with other gaming enthusiasts on the Nikke 30 custom server. So let us get started. So what you want to do, guys, is head over to Discord, log into your account, for instance, in the Discord application installed on your device. And here to the left, you will see a plus icon like that where it says add a server. So click on it. And if you haven't received any invitation to join the Nikke 30 custom server, don't worry, because you can access the server and join it even without an invitation. So what you want to do is click on join the server here at the bottom. And after that, click on don't have an invite here. So that is going to redirect you to the library of servers or supported servers here on Discord. So basically all you need to do, guys, is use the search bar here at the top and type in Nikke 30. So let me do that really quickly. Press enter, and after that select the search entry here, and basically all you need to do, guys, is click on join e-team here at the top on that button. And once that's done, you will be asked to verify that it is really you trying to join the server and not any bot, but actually a real human being. So after that, you will be given access to all of these channels here to the left, for instance, to communicate with other gaming enthusiasts and to gain access to the latest game updates and news. And that's basically all to it, guys. As you can see, super simple. Hope you enjoyed the video, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.